Hello everyone. I know many of you who have come across this video want to investigate into the matter of whether homeopathic medicines are safe for consumption. Or is it because you want to know whether they are habit forming or addictive due to the presence of alcohol? Or is it because you want to know whether homeopathic medicines are safe for your kids, right? So let me know in the comment section below what is your reason to click on this video. So don't just leave yet, because in this video I am going to explain all the details surrounding this topic. Hello guys and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina. All around the world, people are skeptical to use homeopathy these days for one or the other reason. So this time is because homeopathy contains alcohol. So let me get straight to the answer.
हाँ भाई हाँ.
Yes and yes. Homeopathic medicines contain alcohol. But yes, there is a but involved. So all the information that I'm going to share with you today are from genuine sources. First of all, let us understand that alcohol is an excellent preservative and it is a vehicle which is used for homeopathic medicines. In fact, it is one of the substances which has many uses. Also, it serves many purposes at the same time. The alcohol that is used in homeopathic medicines is ethanol or ethyl alcohol and not methanol. It is purified by means of a process that is repeated distillation called rectification, and then it is labeled as rectified spirit or rectified alcohol. This is usually 96 to 98% pure alcohol. Then, for usage purposes, it is then diluted according to the requirements of the medicine. Now please note, please do not misinterpret it with alcohols like rum, brandy, whiskey, beer, etc. Now let me tell you about the amount of alcohol that is present in the homeopathic medicine. So it is in different amounts in different types of medicine. So there are basically 3 types of medicine that is dispensed in a homeopathic pharmacy. First is the mother tincture, second are dilutions, and third is the sugar pills or the pills. So usually there is about 30 to 40% alcohol in mother tincture, which is normally labeled as Q. 88 to 93% of alcohol in the potentized dilutions, that is 30 to 101 m. Now let's discuss the prescription. As extra neutral or rectified alcohol is used these days, on any given day the doctor will not prescribe more than 10 to 15 drops of mother tincture or dilution, which has to be mixed in half cup of water to still dilute it, and then it is consumed by the patient. And respectively, only 1 to 4 drops of this dilution is added to the pills bottles, which get absorbed by the pills. And the excess trace amounts of the alcohol evaporates off, drying the globules in the whole process, making it furthermore alcohol free. Now the most important question here is homeopathic medicine safe for kids as it contains alcohol? So basically in pediatric practice, most practitioners use the sugar pills, which are easy to consume in children, and as I have already mentioned that it contains only trace amounts of alcohol, which again gets evaporated, drying the pills in the process and making the pills alcohol free. So in conclusion, yes, alcohol is present in the most purest and the rectified form in homeopathic medicines, that is in mother tinctures and dilutions, which are added to distilled water not more than 5 to 15 drops before consumption, and only trace amounts are present in the sugar pills medicines. Hence, it is completely safe for usage in both adults as well as in children and will not cause any addiction. I hope this video was helpful in clearing any doubts regarding alcohol in homeopathic medicines, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on our latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.